How to create virtual environment for a project in Pycharm. So just go ahead here in the bottom right corner, you can see your Python version and whatnot, but go ahead and just choose the add new interpreter. Then once you've chosen, you'll have a few options. Just go ahead with the local interpreter. It's much easier there. And then go to environment and then generate a new one. Make sure your type is this one, which is virtual environment, and then your base Python version. You could choose the available options, or you could download and install whichever you want, and then just put in a new name for your new virtual environment. So of course you can go ahead and put in whatever you want, then just go ahead and press an enter to see if that specific name isn't already taken. You have these two options to inherit packages from base interpreter or make available to all projects, but that pretty much depends on you. Just go ahead and press an OK. It's gonna set up the environment, and once this is done, you'll pretty much have a new virtual environment. So that's pretty much how you do that process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.